Welcome to our guide on vector store integration. In this video, we are going to explore how to connect artificial intelligence models to custom knowledge bases. This is the key to building applications that can search through private data and provide accurate, context-aware responses. Large language models like GPT-4 are incredible, but they have significant limitations. First, their knowledge is frozen in time based on when they were trained. Second, they have no access to your private company data or personal files. And third, when they don't know an answer, they might confidently hallucinate incorrect information. The industry standard solution to these problems is called Retrieval-Augmented generation, or RAG. The concept is simple. When a user asks a question, we first retrieve relevant information from a trusted database. We then combine the user's question with that retrieved information and send it to the AI. This allows the AI to answer using facts we provided, rather than relying solely on its training memory. To make this work, we need a way for computers to understand the meaning of text. This is where embeddings come in. An embedding converts text into a long list of numbers, known as a vector. These numbers represent the semantic meaning of the text. Words with similar meanings will have similar numbers in this list. Traditional search looks for exact keyword matches. If you search for delicious hot beverage, it might miss a document that says tasty coffee because the words are different. Semantic search, using vectors, solves this. It understands that coffee is a beverage and tasty is similar to delicious, so it finds the relevant result based on meaning, not just spelling. A vector store is a specialized database designed specifically to handle these embedding vectors. Unlike a standard spreadsheet or SQL database, a vector store is optimized to perform mathematical calculations to find the nearest neighbors for any given query. It effectively acts as the long-term memory for your AI application. Here is how we get data into the system. This process is called the Ingestion Pipeline. First, we load the documents. Second, we split them into small chunks so they fit in the model's window. Third, we pass these chunks through an embedding model to turn them into vectors. Finally, we store those vectors in our database for later retrieval. There are many tools available for this today. Pinecone is a popular managed cloud service that scales easily. ChromaDB and Weaviate are excellent open-source options that you can run locally or in the cloud. And if you are already using Postgres, the pgvector extension is a fantastic way to add vector capabilities to your existing database. Vector stores are powering the next generation of apps. They are used for smart chatbots that know your product manuals inside and out. They power semantic search engines for internal corporate wikis. They are even used for recommendation systems, suggesting content based on the semantic similarity of what a user has liked before. To wrap up, remember that standard language models have knowledge limits. We use embeddings to convert the meaning of text into numbers. Vector stores hold these numbers to act as the AI's memory. And finally, the RAG architecture allows us to feed this relevant memory to the AI to generate accurate, trustworthy answers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.